Take a deep breath in and gently exhale. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and let go of any tension you might be holding on to. This is your time to heal. Step 1. Connecting to the breath. Let's begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale through your mouth. Notice how your body feels as the air moves in and out. With each breath, imagine yourself inhaling calm, peaceful energy, and as you exhale, feel any stress or worry leaving your body. With each breath, you're creating space for healing. Let your breath be gentle, unforced, like waves softly rolling in and out. Step 2. Body scan for healing. Now bring your awareness to your body. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down. Notice any areas of tension, tightness, or discomfort. There's no need to change anything, just observe. As you breathe, imagine a warm, healing light softly touching these areas. Allow this light to relax and soothe every part of your body, your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Let this warmth travel down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension with each exhale. Move this healing energy down your arms, through your chest, and into your stomach. As you scan your body, know that with each breath you are nurturing yourself and allowing healing to happen naturally. Step 3. Healing the mind. Now shift your focus to your mind. Thoughts may come and go. That's perfectly okay. Instead of attaching to them, imagine them as clouds passing by in a clear sky. Watch them drift, knowing you don't need to engage. As you breathe, bring to mind the areas of your life where you seek healing. This might be emotional pain, stress, or mental exhaustion. Imagine wrapping these thoughts or feelings in that same warm, healing light. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to let go. In this space, you are safe. You are whole. You are healing. Step 4. Affirmation for healing. Now silently repeat the following affirmation. I am healing. I am whole. My body and mind are in harmony. Feel these words sink into your being with every breath. Allow them to flow through you, grounding you in peace and inner strength. Your body knows how to heal, and in this moment, you are giving it the space and attention it needs. Step 5. Returning with calm. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Begin to notice the weight of your body, the feeling of the surface beneath you, and the room around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, stretching out any last areas of tension. When you're ready, softly open your eyes, carrying this sense of calm, healing, and balance with you throughout the rest of your day. Thank yourself for taking this time to heal. Know that whenever you need, you can return to this practice. Your mind and body are always ready to receive healing energy. Take care, and may you continue to feel peace and strength in all you do.